Hey Yummy, welcome to another episode of Yummy Recipe. Today I got to show you an easy yummy sardine tomato stew packed with flavor and tasty. I'm Yummy Cash and you're welcome to this channel. In a pan, add oil and add in chopped onions. Fry these onions for 3 minutes. Add tomatoes after and add in pepper. Because it's sardine, you want to make it hot and spicy. Stir to mix and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Add water, about half cup of water, and stir to cover to cook till half of the water is evaporated. Now this is to ensure that the tomatoes is well cooked. Cover and allow it to cook. After 5 minutes, it is time to start building flavors. Start by adding salt to it. Now, because we are here to build flavors in this stew, every ingredient is being added step by step. Then add in your all-purpose spice, followed by curry, stir to mix, then add garlic powder, one of my favorite spice. Now add in any maggi cube of your choice, and I added half of the maggi cube and leave it to cook for additional 5 minutes. The next thing to add is to throw in some nutmeg powder and stir. Leave it to cook for at least additional 5 minutes on a very low heat. The next thing to add is your sardines, which is the main thing here. So with this recipe or in this video, I added tuna to it. You don't have to add it if you don't like and if you don't want it. Leave it to cook for additional 5 minutes, now on a low heat. Now, most of the ingredients are being added to the stew, so you taste for salt and adjust it to how you want it. Now, if you have cooked boiled eggs, throw in some, and I have the God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit egg. I added to it. Leave it for additional 7 minutes on a low heat for the stew to penetrate into the eggs. And that is what I love. Turn off the heat and add in your scallions. That is it. So tasty, delicious, divine. Thank you, Yummy. Always remember to do everything in love.